Hey guys, we've pretty much finished the refurb of this one bed flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll do a quick snagging for our client. Okay, so front door, we're leaving it as it is. Would have been nice to repaint that, but don't really have the budget for it, and it doesn't make much of a difference. It's just a nice to have. So inside it's been redecorated. That just needs to be removed. There's actually a few rubbish that needs to be removed. Ideally, I think this telephone wire needs to be removed as well. Carpet's been replaced, which is great. Decorating's been done quite nice actually. Okay, so first things first, it's the bathroom. Thomas fitted a new bathroom, which looks great. The paneling actually works quite well with this design, so it matches it really well. The only concern is these old tiles, they really need to be scrubbed down and properly cleaned, which might be a challenge because there's a lot of mold and grit there. But obviously the rest that's being done looks great. The problem is when you repaint everything, the old stuff really sticks out. For example, the mold in there. But everything else is absolutely fine. So one thing to consider is potentially putting a doorstop there here. It will have to go on tile, but otherwise that's just going to keep hitting that. Put one in, or maybe not. This radiator is quite rusty. Hopefully we can get away with it. It might need replacing. Again, that's for you, the landlord, to decide. It's quite low. That light bulb needs replacing. Okay, so inside. Okay, so everything looks great. Looks fine. This door stops throughout. So this is borderline. It seems like it works. You know, I'd consider disposing of it. Equally, it can stay. It's just the top, or just repainting it. Yeah, that can be removed. That needs to be removed. That needs to be removed, and that needs to be removed. I'll take some pictures separately. Paint seems okay. All those need to be removed. But otherwise, bathroom, the kitchen is fine. It just needs a good scrub down. Let's see, in there, and hopefully that will deal with it. Presumably the appliances work. And then final room, bedroom. Because everything in here is fine. The radiator we can leave, or we can ask Cam to paint it. I mean, that looks a bit grotty anyway. This bed, really, we should just either remove it and have the tenant provide their own bed and mattress, or provide a new bed, because tenants won't like this. Also, they just don't like these bed frames, and also there isn't a headboard, which means that wall will get damaged when it's tenanted. So it'll get scruffed at the back, or the frame will just dig into the wall. So, you know, either remove it or replace it. But otherwise, everything else seems to be fine. Generally, paintwork, yeah, for the price, I think it's a great job. Personally, if you're looking around, I can't really see any issues. Obviously, if you look really close, you're always bound to find issues somewhere, but I can't see any from this sort of level. And you know, it's up to you if you want to, as a landlord, if you want to go around and have a look. It's probably not worthwhile, to be honest with you. I mean, maybe that, but who's going to notice that, really? And is it worth troubling people over? Yeah, I think everything's done. So we just wait for a deep clean, remove some rubbish, new carpets, and that is. Okay. And need to decide if we're removing that or not. And if you don't know me already, my name is Nguyen. We're let to manage high quality HMOs and singlets in and around Birmingham, like this property. We also refurb properties for our landlord clients as well. That's a really nice view in the back. So that's the canal. That's the train line. And we're in a nice part of Birmingham, South Birmingham in fact. Yeah, if you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to like and follow for more. Alright, see you.